So if you're looking to grow your business fast, I bet you're really wondering what this coffee cup has to do with your business and how you need to look at things slightly differently. My name is Benjamin Davies and I help businesses grow without using paid social media advertising, and I've generated over £7 million for my clients within the last 3 years by utilising a key framework. So I just want to touch on today what this coffee cup has to do with your business. So we'll go first to this section here. You can probably note many businesses look at their business like a funnel and they're too busy spending loads and loads of money, ramming all the leads in the top here, and they're hoping to squeeze just a bit, quite a few through, leaving a massive, massive gaping hole here at the bottom. So for instance, if we look at this example here, we can see you've got 1,000 leads a month. So say you're paying £20,000 per month for these leads, and that you hope to get a 2.5% return on ad spend, which means that you're going to hopefully hope to earn a £50,000 return on investment. Now that does vary on obviously the type of product that you offer, the price point of the product that you offer, but this is typically what a lot of people and businesses, regardless of the business, whether you're e-commerce, whether you're service-based business, business to business, hope for. Whereas if we actually turn it up on its head, and rather than look for an immediate result, we put systems in place where we can grow, nurture, build a bond with those customers, create value and educate them, you can see in a second how much more profitable it will be. So if we turn the cup essentially upside down on its head, we have the same example here where we've got 1,000 customers. So rather than spend £20,000 a month on ad spend, you're spending $3 or £3 per customer. So you're spending £3,000 a month on ad spend. But rather than expect for the quick sale and push for the quick sale, you look to nurture them and segment the audience and put them down a separate path, giving them more value and educating them. You make a 10x return on investment. So all of a sudden you've gone from, yes, you've got a lower return on investment compared to the 50k, but your advertising cost is significantly lower. It's £3,000 per month as opposed to £20,000 per month. So you've got 50k return a 30k return on ad spend of £3,000. So by doing this, you're nurturing them and you're creating more long-term profit, but you're also acquiring these customers cheaper. So if you wanted to spend even some of that money per month, so say you had, rather than spend the £20,000 to acquire 1,000 customers, you spent maybe, £15,000 and you acquired 5,000 customers. So if we go on the same logic, so you've got £5,000 here at the top instead of 5,000 customers up here at the top rather than 1,000. We've still got the same cost per lead there, but you've got, rather than a £3,000 per month ad spend, £15,000 a month, which is still £5,000 a month cheaper than what you were spending on the other example. And you still had that same return on investment, so you've just 5x'd that return on investment. So that 30k essentially will then become 120k. So you can see how doing it this way round, and by having the systems in place, nurturing, educating those customers, is far more profitable for you and will help your cash flow far more than this other example here at the beginning. Comment below which one you think you would do with your business and which one you would prefer. And I've also got a free workshop. It's in the link below and it will show you exactly how I've managed to generate £7 million of additional revenue for my clients over the last 3 years. Completely free workshop. I hope you enjoy it, and it's just applying some of the framework that I've used to help them out. Please as well also, if you can click the link and also subscribe, I'll try and post more videos more frequently, and what other videos that you think would be valuable to your business. And I'll see you in the next one.